If
Mykrowavetv.
transmission say, he send somebody go hospital, go visit her, why you could send somebody go over there the day when I see her upon live, they drink the energy to them and I turn the magnum on head. Why make I couldn't call her somebody there until I see him so call somebody there say, yo, see your niece or whosoever, they on line there, the drugs out himself or whatsoever. Why you never call a person there? Why you didn't call that person and tell that person say, your niece over there start going with one bag of allegation. Go over there, go help her. Go over there, go take with that from her. Why she never do that? So he just love talk too much. He just love talking too much. Yeah. He get the money for go help Brit. He get the money for go help Brit long time. And what is important to her is to go get the balls from man under her legs cut off. Cut off the big black sitting we have in front time. And that thing go do. Do up himself. Yeah, that thing go do the money. When he couldn't help the girl. Because everybody have chance, I don't even know if to explain it. He get the chance to help her. I don't know if to explain it in paper. I don't know how to explain that part. But she get the chance to come to Jamaica and him buy one ticket for go somewhere else. You know, buy the ticket for go help the girl, you know. And you say I help you, go help the girl. And you buy a ticket for go do something else. Come on, man. And then you come go on like so you want to come bring me down. The hypocrite girl. You not tell Brit no good positive over the phone when you call her. Me never hear you tell her no good over the phone, dirty girl. So good girl, we lick up but you go pay your bills them. Dirty Sam Star. Go pay your blood clot bills them and come out of people business. And the next one you over the comment under blood clot Shay life. Why you never tell Shay say when she get the blood clot money, she never come to Jamaica come link blood clot Brittany? Why me couldn't not tell her that? Why me couldn't not tell her that? Why she flag her blood clot turkey for? Go do body. Eh? Or where they try to prove? Dirty girl, where they try to prove? Look how long blood clot Brittany out here. They walk up and down in the street and I go on with the antics them. Look how long Shay they go on with him. Brittany they go on with the antics them. And from when me hear the talk say this and talk say that. And I mean I see you do nothing, I just talk your talk. And I like you never get the money. The people them send you the money. The people them directly send you the money. Them send you the money and you get the money. That is the whole thing. You get the money. You could have the same flight with your book. Just look into it, you know. If you rate Brit, that for sure say you rate your body. You rate your body over Brit. You rate your body over Brit. Because if you get the money in a space of time, when Brit, depending in go slow. When Brit depending in go slow. If you say you get the money when the girl in the right part, then you get the money and you get two choices. Book the flight and come to Jamaica. Book the flight and go do my body. Which one you do? Book the flight and go do your blood clot body. So Jamaica half a fearless. Shay, don't come pretty up no Shay. Shay, me a one boy you can't bring down Shay. Me I tell you that. Okay. And make me address some of the people now where live around blood clot Brit now. Cause you know Shay they talk on phone. I'm telling you this man. You know a family to Brit now. And if you don't do no blood clot family that, you don't do stranger. If you don't do no family that, you don't do stranger. Because if Brit the in a yard and you have family, if Brit the in a yard and they go on so, and you could carry Brit to blood clot hospital. Look how far I come from and carry go hospital. Look how far me they come from and carry the blood clot girl go hospital. Do that and beat me. Do that and blood clot beat me. I deadly funeral run down. I that you don't want. And money. It's all about the money. With Shay and the family, it's all about money. I'm telling you this, man, a clout you know look. A clout you know look. I mean a true bumbuckler believer. Me is a true believer. Me been a do this, sir. Me been a do it. Me not pretty up nothing. Me not pretty up blood clot now, so all who me see the comments so they not trust that boy again. When can go suck on no mama. Close by.
Cause I Wi-Fi. So Brit, you getting up there from Brit?
Yeah man, Brit govern man, Brit did they go and easy back in himself man, isn't it?
Can't believe them really fight out him and dog.
They must fight out me boy.
Now this man a holy man we are trying to help him man.
So I wanna go on the night.
Me no know no mix up in the night. You want to tell me look a mix up dog, cause me no see no mix up in the night, you know. Moody! Chugu.
Last night I went him again there. She said when your mom's birthday, you know, pull up on him and risk her.
Hey, fuck there man, which man's birthday?
Okay. Me know say you don't kick them ball there again.
No, me no keep them ball there, see. Me no do them thing them. You see? The one thing right now, me have to have respect for my new woman, you know, me no do that. Things again, my father. We not going to do that again, bro, because everything's solid right here, right now, me there right now. You see what I say?
I watch you, Mr. One listen last night on screen record, me have wonder if you over there do the place, so. So I don't know if you can far you me there watch it.
No, Jaden not really on the money right now, so I can't. Jaden 29 night, and I'm going to enjoy sense. Where mean go wrong? What go wrong?
To me soon really like make you want him back in your couch or in your place, in your tabernacle. Like a something him take for you. In a jacket and how much something I say, boy, this looks serious. Uno make your place collapse one night time. I'll drop out a top pocket and then sitting there. Me come buckle, turn off a rank and much sitting there, I say no sir.
Hey, that boy,
I wonder.
Moody!
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Well, I saw you going to my father. Let's see.
Last night, I didn't see you on the road last night.
Right in front of me yard, so I kick some ball game with me and my dog. I drink some local any. I don't watch what go on. They enjoy themselves, you know. They with full moms are going easy with self, you know.
That means a boy. Something alright, you're alive man, you know.
Yeah.
And last
me never did want to really start no problem last night, because if we did come on last night, then my team would have want to do something where them are go really hate the fuck. You see? And me should have do it, you know.
and I look for a man and a kinetic like I said, boy, a long time when I get to eat. A long time. Long time when I get to woman. No. Why, yo, you're terrible still, you know?
With what?
No.
Roads, 17 roads. No, man, I put me them on my father, man. You know, see how, like,